Experiencing problems with your Metro by T-Mobile voicemail? You're not alone. Many users encounter issues with call-in access, PIN resets, and alert notifications. These problems often stem from recent network upgrades and the transition to T-Mobile's visual voicemail app. First, ensure you have a strong network signal. A weak signal can disrupt voicemail functionality. Next, verify your voicemail settings are correctly configured. This includes checking call forwarding settings using the code 004 number stack to enable conditional call forwarding. If call-in is unreliable, prioritize the visual voicemail app. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version 8.5 as of June 2025. If you face issues with alerts, ensure app permissions, such as notification access on iOS or Android. Finally, restart your device and check for carrier updates using the code #46336. These are your first steps to getting your voicemail working again. Having trouble with your voicemail PIN? Reset it via the visual voicemail app or by calling 611. Avoid simple or reused PINs. Biometric integration is available for enhanced security in the app. If the visual voicemail app crashes or fails to sync, clear the app's cache and data. For persistent app issues, or to further reduce reliance on call-in voicemail, consider that by 2025, 70% of Metro users have migrated to visual voicemail, driven by features like transcription. Future updates may include AI filtering of spam voicemails. Staying up to date with the visual voicemail app is key.